Hey friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina. I am here at the ABC Kids Trade Show, and I'm super excited to go over this brand new product. Right in front of me, you are looking at the UppaBaby CRUZ version 3. So come on in, let's have a look. So it's still gonna have a lot of the features that we're used to from UppaBaby, still has that fabulous 3-year warranty. But if you notice on the inside, there is an infant insert. And so one of the things that's gonna make this year's model so special, and this will be coming out this fall, is that when it turns to face the caregiver, it's actually going to have a very special type of recline. So it has what's referred to as a lay flat recline, and then we're also going to have a special piece on the bottom of the seat. And I'm going to turn the seat upside down and around just so you guys can see. But underneath, I am going to be able to do this kind of switch it, flip it, and reverse it, sort of like our girl Missy Elliott here. But we're going to turn this stroller from being for older kid into a newborn option. So we'll go ahead and pop this piece down and around. We'll set it up right here. And that's why the infant insert is included when you purchase this new model. So this is pretty exciting stuff from UppaBaby. They've never had an infant seat immediately available, ready to go. A stroller seat ready to go for infants right out of the box. So I'm not doing this perfectly immediately, but as you guys can see, there are ways to make this all fit together, snap together. But our recline for a new baby is perfect. Now, additionally, we always want to talk about making sure that baby is always shaded. So if you come over here and look on the inside, there's actually a hidden secret shade that will give your kiddo full sun coverage, which is pretty fabulous. The basket's gonna hold 25 pounds. The stroller itself will hold 50 pounds. So this is gonna be from birth, moving all the way through up to 50 pounds. Price point I think they're looking at is $9.99, and that's gonna be pretty special because again, infant ready out of the box. We just did a whole series on strollers that were infant compatible out of the box. So it's a really nice feature that this guy's gonna be able to do that. Now when you wanna fold it, you're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just unsnap these pieces. You'll go ahead and you'll turn it forward facing like you do currently with the CRUZ, and of course it will work with UppaBaby car seats directly on it. You could still purchase the bassinet separately, but why? It's ready to go as is. So this is the part that makes it so fabulous. We'll go ahead and set that seat up. And an additional nice feature from this year is this foot plate has moved to a one-handed operation. We also have this ability to make the bar come down for a more compact fold, which is pretty special. And again, if you wanted to put this back into big kid mode, when it's folded and standing, getting this to fold up and tuck in properly is much, much easier than doing it if you're sitting on the ground. So really nice feature set, sort of hidden in here. And again, you'd pull the piece through so it would sit perfectly and go through there. But now you're back to big kid mode, no problem. So again, pretty special option from UppaBaby. 3 different handle heights, front bar included, infant insert included, fully washable. This will be the only color of the insert, and then the stroller itself will come in all the same fabulous colors as the CRUZ. So, one other thing, if you want to come in here, one difference is that this one does not have the removable mesh backrest, but one thing I did like on this harness, if you notice, it's narrower here and widens toward the top. So again, very much newborn ready and newborn compatible. So what do you think of the brand new CRUZ version 3? Do you think this is something you'd be interested in? Leave a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and check out more videos to check out more stuff coming up at ABC.